Who's talking?
Sorry?
Who's talking?
Who's talking?
Yeah.
You're talking. What's Tony Stark's super identity? Who's Tony Stark? No? Yes, you know. Who is he? Who is he? Who is he?
Iron Man.
Yay! And who's gonna smash?
Joy.
Who's big and green?
I know.
You don't know?
Joey, do you want me to open that for you?
Is it the Hulk?
The Hulk.
The Hulk?
The Hulk. The Hulk. The Hulk.
What does he say?
Ma.
Wow. Do you know any other superheroes? Who?
Joy.
Who?
Joy.
Which guy? Who has the hammer?
Joy.
Thor? Yeah?
Hammer.
Yeah?
Hammer.
Hammer. And who has the shield?
Hammer.
Captain America, good girl.
Reload.
Yeah. And who else do you know? Who else do you know?
I know.
You don't know? You know any bad guys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Which bad guys? You don't know?
Tony.
Tony's not a bad guy, he's a good guy.
Good guy.
Yeah.
Bad guy.
No.
Bad